up all the swish. Been on all the hits. Now I'm all legit. Shouting out a wick. Bitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck the Oscar niggas hoes. 5, 6, 7. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Touch my fucking neck. I know he here, yo. He just coming in, I'm saving for them. Pockets real fat, cash real delicate. Fight a block, it done died out, yeah. Ride out, yeah. Young boss, he done died out, yeah. We get some through the air, but it ain't nice on. Let me put out white song. Yeah, I'm a key nigga. I got traded from the Lakers, I got heat with me. Bitch, I'm taking 3 with me. Now that's 3 ways. Bitches are playing crazy, not from these ways. Bustin' from my DNA. What you doing with a doctor? You a CNA, baby. We in Hellcat. These ain't TNA. Yeah, we scratching off in the kitchen, packing raw dog food. Yeah, bitch, we rockin', we rockin', we on all blue. Got him out the office. He might if he talking at all. He might if he talking. It's a fun fact. Actually, it's not June. Yeah, bitch, we rockin', we on all blue. Got him out the office. He might if he talking. He might if he talking. Young son of what do you call that? Calling out his hoes, he mad texting in all caps. Beat all day, nigga, they on weight trap. Spin at the building and wake up. I'll be on what I'm on if I ain't rapping. With no stress until the members came back. Nigga shit, family know when you playing before. Real trapping in my dope like.
Let's go, yeah. Keep making them best, keep talking to me right in the morning. over front. Man, let me get this big shit over, bro. You know, with this shit, I really know it, bro. This is me, hey, this was over, bro.
Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the I'm everywhere. How you say it's up with me? Them bitches should stay. She got one up on me, she got my hammer down. He thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now his ass can't stand me now. About these niggas, I don't wanna hang with them. They don't have no demons. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of them. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? She the type the nigga make a man, she go and twist on. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to beat on. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheap for the keep.